Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be going to give you a little tour of my home. This is the servant room and this is the main door of my apartment. I've had this cute little bell on the apartment door. I really like it. Now this is the digital lock which we have placed for the security reasons and it works very good. Welcome to my home. This is a 3-bedroom apartment. So to begin with our tour, let's start from my kitchen. This is a very pretty white and black themed kitchen. It is said the kitchen is the heart of a home, and I believe it's true in every sense. I love spending time in here. I will give a detailed tour of my kitchen very soon in my upcoming videos. So please stay tuned. Now this is my living/dining area. As you can see that the color theme of our home is beige, gold and white. So you will find most of our furniture to be in white and brown theme and beige-ish theme. So this is our living area over here. Now we have placed the separator in our living area. This creates a backdrop to our living area as well as create some storage space as well. Now I have kept these two accent chairs over there in blue color to add a little pop of color in a beige theme. This over here is our balcony. Let me show you our balcony. Now I'm going to give a proper tour of this balcony very soon. It's really windy today. I really like this weather. That's my husband over there. Now this is the complete view of my living and dining room. Now let's move on to my master bedroom. I've kept a minimum accent pieces or decor item here. Now this over here is my walk-in closet. I've kept this plant for little green. That's a TV pull-out unit and that over there is a LG air purifier. Those are wedding pictures. And this is the master washroom. Let me show you. Now we have these two his and her wash basins. Now let's move on to the next room. This is a guest and kids room. First let me show you my kids room. We have given a grey and white theme to this room. For now, those are our wedding pictures once again, but we are going to change it soon with a kid's picture. This is a kids' washroom. Trying to grow money plant over there. This is the shower area. Now let's move on to our next room, which is our guest room. Since we wanted something different in each room, we have placed this extra piece over here and these two bedside lamps. I really love these lamps. And this is a view mirror. That's a wallpaper which we have placed on this wall. We wanted something different for this wall. So this is our beautiful mandir over here. So guys, this is our guest bedroom. Hope you all like it. Now let's move on. So the best thing about this separator is that it creates a partition between our living and dining room, as well as create an alley so that if someone wants to go directly to the room, they can go from this side. This is our powder washroom or a guest washroom. So this is the complete tour of my home. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe my video. See you all in the next one.